President Wiliam Ruto niwaneenea yulu wa maandamano ala manatwaiiw'e muthenyani wa wakatatu wa muthenya kana itina wa mithenya ili aiweta ta makwananga economy ya nthi ya Kenya aiweta matambya kwoswa kuyala meukwatikana mayananga mali ya mwenennthi ainini acha thini cha kutania muthenya wa atandithia anini Ruto ni watula motiva nene ithoko na wanangiko wa mali ulononekie muthenyani usu wa maandamano ma Gen Z aiweta ala manakunikie vanene ni atandithia aiweta kila kina kusiwe ti maandamano mamuwo tondo katiba keletie indi ni Nduuthi Chalo na maovo
akinenea chathini cha kutania muthenya wa biasala inini kila chaende ya numbani ya mbumbanio ya KICC. President Wiliam Ruto ni wambonenga na policy yake si mwana kuyatandithia alama na ukwati wasio kumano na maandamano na kuwetakana maandamano alama na atwaiiw'e ti uthasio indi ni kauwa kukitana na uthasio akienda munene wa polisi kukatiyo kunikili na kukomanya na meo alama koniwe na wanangi kavindane ka maandamano asu.
Besides the regrettable loss of lives, the biggest victims of this chaos were our hard-working traders and entrepreneurs who wake up early every day to find some of their businesses and hustles reduced to ashes, and others with broken doors and empty walls or empty stalls. Let me say this. The right to peaceful protest is protected by a constitution. We respect and uphold that right. But what we witnessed was not peaceful protest. It was calculated chaos. It was violence. It was destruction. And it was economic sabotage. I expect the Inspector General of Police and all relevant security agencies to conduct immediate, thorough, and speedy investigations. The perpetrators of this violence, looting, and destruction must be identified and prosecuted for the fullest extent of the law.
Ndini wakila chionekana ta kukima wapinzani, President Ruto ni waelesea kana mbe ndongo ila siumelelia matake vila Musumbi sialita kwithwa na muvango wa kutwaisya Kenya na mbe na mayetele vinda yosa kuwani evike.
To the political actors who think they can exploit the genuine aspirations of our young people to foment chaos, violence, and destruction, the wheels of justice will find you and deal with you firmly, decisively, within the full letter of the law. For those who want power, the Constitution is clear. Elections will come. Formulate a better plan. Convince the people of Kenya. Win fairly. That is how change happens in a democracy.
Musumbi ni waelesea kana vayundu makosa muvango wa kuendesya Kenya na mbe na maithi wanamea makwenda kuvetanga alame na muvango wa kutwaisya maendeleo kivilani evinda yo itanamba ovika.
Replacing a working plan that you may not like with no plan or with hate and violence will only make things worse, not better.
Chalo Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.